Hey cuties! So today I am going to be transforming my hair extensions, my raggedy ass hair extensions that look like this, and I'm gonna be transforming them to look like this. Cue magic sound. So if you guys want to see how I did it, what they look like in my hair and everything, I hope that they look good. I'm really hoping from that intro that they don't look like raggedy after. We're hoping for the best here, and I'm doing it all with KOOL AID. So let's get started, everyone. Welcome to my video. So what am I doing today? I have no idea. So when I was a kid, a lot of people dyed their hair with KOOL AID. I would see people show up at school with dyed KOOL AID hair. When I first started YouTube, I had some kind of colored in my hair. My earring just fell. What in the world? Where did it go? It literally fell without a drop. Me. Oh my God, what? Anyways, like am I bobbing my head around like a freaking bobblehead or something? What? Austin did this. Okay, thank you. Round two. Like, hey, the earrings are really cute. Like, I feel like if I touch it, it's gonna fall. Like, they go off a track so easily. Like, throughout YouTube, I've had like different colored hair and stuff. And I remember this one comment. It looks like you dyed your hair with KOOL AID and you look poor. And I was like, what? And for some reason, like, there's certain comments that have always stuck in my head. I'm like, what? Like, sometimes you can't find a color of a hair dye and you want like a color of a hair dye with KOOL AID. Also, it's fun. Also, some people like are sensitive with dark dyes and stuff like that. I don't know. Like, this is probably not good for your hair, so just like don't take it from me. That's why I'm using extensions and not my real hair. But if you have dyed your hair with KOOL AID in the past, don't listen to that hater ass hoe. And you're not poor. And if you are poor, who cares, right? You can be rich and dye your hair with KOOL AID, and you can be poor and dye your hair with KOOL AID. Who cares about how much money you have? We're dyeing your hair with KOOL AID. Warning, disclaimer, do not drink what we're about to make. Okay, so you will need hair extensions, some conditioner. Now, I realized that I was like out of mine. So I was like, Austin, I'm using yours. I will repurchase this for you. It has to be like a white consistency so that it actually can like lighten up, and you can use it as like a paste to like dye your hair extensions with. He doesn't need this anyway. He has like 1 inch of hair. I mean, we love it. We love like a groomed king, but like he doesn't need it. Like, he's good for a few days. A brush if your hair extensions are raggedy. An actual brush to apply the concoction with. A cup or like a jar or something like that that you don't care about because it might stain. I don't know. I haven't done this. These are just like sitting and I'm like, do I throw these away? Also, they have shortened throughout the years. Has anyone had this happen to them? Like, why are they shorter than my actual hair? Whatever, we're just gonna have like cute colored pieces in our hair with KOOL AID and see if this works. That's what we're doing. We're doing a little experiment. And you're gonna need some aluminum foil and then your KOOL AID of choice. Now, I have not opened this yet. I got it on Amazon. Let's open it together. I just got like a 12 assorted. So hopefully it's not all the same color. Ready? Period. Oh my God, look at all these colors we have. I feel like doing like pink and blue, but maybe the purple, but it's grape. So I'm like, bleh. So yes, I have like clip-in extensions that I wear sometimes. Right now I have no extensions in my hair, but these ones were just laying around and I was like, do I throw them away? What do I do? And I'm like, hey, why don't I just buy some KOOL AID and then, you know, dye my extensions with KOOL AID, see if it works. We have strawberry kiwi, lemonade, orange, blue raspberry lemonade, which have you guys ever actually seen a blue raspberry? Like, those don't exist. I don't know why this is a thing. Grape, cherry, black cherry, mixed berry, strawberry, look at that. Tropical punch, berry cherry, and lemon lime. Let's get started. I don't even know where these extensions are from. Nobody's gonna ask. So like, I don't need to tell you because nobody's gonna be like, oh my God, where did you get these gorgeous extensions from? Like, nobody's gonna ask. Oh. I don't even know if this is gonna work. So we're just here to have fun, play around with some hair and some colors. So if you guys are doing extensions, I would just advise to like lighten them or bleach them. Like, why are these ones so short? I'm gonna straighten these and then I'll meet you guys in the kitchen. Okay, here we are. So for the paintbrushes, I'm pretty sure these are just from Dollarama. Okay, I watched like 5 different tutorials and a lot of people do a lot of different things. So drop it in the comments down below your tips for dyeing hair or hair extensions with KOOL AID so they look a little bit better now. Eliminate green and orange right away. Green and yellow, all that. Like, no, we want like fun colors. 3 different blues. Okay, 2 different purples. I'm just gonna eliminate grape because like I don't like it. So a red and a fuchsia. No red. Like, we're not clashing gangs here. Okay. This is so hard. Okay, like right off the hop, we're doing this like Barbie pink one. That one's coming with us. Yeah, we're doing 3 colors. Let's choose the blue to go with this. Okay, right away I'm not choosing that one. I'm like leaning towards this one. Or should we do like this? Should we make it like, I don't know. And then I feel like these are so similar that we're just gonna go like this. Pink, purple, and blue. This is what we're doing. It's gonna be like unicorn hair. This, or like this. Or like, I think this. So we've chose mixed berry, berry cherry, and strawberry. Oh yeah, I'm in a berry mood. I'm very happy. Why am I using a cup? Shouldn't I use like a bowl? Am I okay? Okay, we've changed to bowls. Let's do the conditioner first. Right, okay. Some people also said to like microwave. Oh my. The conditioner, I'm like, I have like 3-piece strands of hair. Like I feel like I'm gonna use all of this. I'm using all your conditioner. This better be enough. Did I fling that?
This better be enough.
Should I microwave it? I saw a girl and she looked like she knew what she was doing and she microwaved it. I'm like really making a mess here. Okay, step 1. I don't know why we're microwaving it. Why would you microwave it? I'm gonna go look at her tutorial again. Okay, she literally said trust her in the video, so I'm trusting her. Also, my eyelash is coming off. We're gonna deal with that after. I get the conditioner on. It doesn't look bad from far away, but this is the tutorial that I'm using, so shout out to Echo is weird. We're gonna microwave this. This is what we have. Okay, we're just gonna put them all in for like half a second and half a minute. I also glued back my eyelash. Okay, let's do this. Can I put in the microwave? Is this microwave safe?
I don't know. I don't think metal can go in the microwave.
But some...
Maybe it's tinfoil. I don't know.
Well, tinfoil I know can't.
I think metal will be okay.
Welcome back to Dumb and Dumber. On this episode of Dumb and... let's just try it. Don't do this at home. Don't do anything I'm doing at home. No, I think it's microwave safe. Okay, well it looks fine. I turn around. Okay. They smell good. Why does it look foamy here and normal there? I don't know. I think I've already screwed up. Okay, we're doing the pink one. I don't know how much to do. I literally haven't had Kool-Aid for so long. Okay, somebody said that the coloring they took... What is going on? This looks so ugly. Oh, okay. Ooh. Okay. We're just gonna dump. Pour it all in. Okay, so it looks kind of reddish, and I did run out of conditioner not just now, so I hope that this is gonna be enough for the blue. Okay, all right, okay, let's start with that. Ooh, look at that. Okay, this color is way nicer. And the consistency is way nicer too. I don't know about microwaving them. This got kind of like chalky. It's weird, the bowls reacted differently. That's a beautiful color. Yeah. Oh, it's getting a little darker. Okay. Last but not least. Okay. The purple one. Okay. Don't steer me wrong. Should I have used grape? Ew. Okay, this smells the best, but go plan B. Go with grape. Lord help me. Oh, immediate. Oh my God, don't do this. All right, that's why you don't use grape. You know what? It kind of looks cute. It looks like an indigo-y, literally what comes out of like a fast food, like grease pan or something. Just looks horrendous. This is not what I was expecting, but you know what? Let's just go with it. Okay, I have 3. I feel like this is not gonna work. God, that reddish is so ugly, but maybe it'll turn pink. Who knows? This one? You guys. Okay, let's use the, why is it so watery? Why are they all so different? Okay, let's take this big honkin' one. Why is this not long enough? Okay, we're gonna do 2 together. All the hairdressers watching me right now are literally like clutching their pearls. Period. Perfect. Lay this out, and then we'll do a singular one too. Let's do another singular one. Let's just go. Oh, you can't even see. We'll just work with the ends because that could be a look, right? This paintbrush is working good. Okay, Dollarama. Not this being orangey red, the 2 colors I didn't want mixed together. This is like literally ketchup and mustard mixed. Hit the thumbs up if you're literally clutching your pearls or cringing. Okay, we don't have much left, but you know what? This covered what we needed it to cover, so that's all that matters. You know what? I should probably flip them over. Watch them be pure blonde on the other side. No, okay, well they do need to be covered on the other side. I went to beauty school, but I got kicked out. Just kidding. Girl, if I ever went to beauty school, they would see this video and then just like not accept me. You know what? I think this is going well. Like I should be like going like this to them because I've dyed extensions before, but I'm not taking this that serious. I just want to see how well it shows up, if this is even gonna work. Use pretty much all. Now the gag is some people leave these for overnight. I don't have time for that. Some people leave them for like 8 hours. I think I just touched my own hair. We'll see what we got. I'm going to like just go like this. Is everyone freaking out right now? What am I even doing? Like this? Yeah. And then I'm gonna go like that. and like that, and like really gets a little package. Perfect. Okay, so the next one is the nicest one out of them all, and it's the blue. I got some more conditioner out of it because I really liked this one the best. So beautiful. Okay, I really hope this one takes. You know what? I really want these to take. So if they say overnight, I think we're just gonna do it overnight. This one's going on a lot smoother, not as chunky. I think I'm just gonna take the advice and keep it overnight. It does smell really good, I'm not gonna lie. I actually feel like my hairstylist right now. I'm like, so tell me about your day. He did what? That looks good to me. It was the perfect amount as well. Folded it, and then we just went like that, like that. They're little parcels like this. All right, last but not least, I have the perfect amount and the unperfect color here. Who dyes their extensions or hair or anything this color? Oh, it's like literally poop. I've realized this is just like brunette, and I've like insulted every brunette by calling them poop head. Well, you know what? This could be something now that I'm thinking of it. We could have just created brunette with Kool-Aid. May have just broke a revolutionary thing. There's like barely any of this. This one is like going on okay. We've just made brown extensions. I hate myself. I'm like, it's poop hair. It's just brunette. It's cute because like there is a little bit of purpleness-ish to it. Look at how much I have left. I barely have anything left, but I just need to like cover like this part, and it goes a long way. This is spreading really well. Oh no, you're out. Girl, come on. Come on. That would be so cute. Just like keep pieces of like a brunette in there with a little bit of purple. Who knows? When we rinse them out, they might be purple, but I'm gonna let these soak for overnight. I wanna do this all in one day, but like why rush it? Like let's actually just see if it's gonna work and what colors we get. So that's what that looks like. Why am I like so proud of myself? Our little parcels are done. I don't really have a mess. Nothing has stained. It is literally 5:30 p.m. right now. The sun's gonna start setting. So I'm gonna leave it for maybe like 24 hours. I want the colors to really soak in there, and we'll see what we get. Some people do like a watered down mixture. I wanted to do like more of a paste and really try to bring out the colors in here. I will see you guys in like 24 hours and we'll see if it works. So let's go. I'm nervous. Okay everyone, so it's been a little over 24 hours. Okay, so they kind of smell a little odd. It kind of smells like old. Maybe I should not have left them for over 24 hours. I don't know. I'm gonna start running the water. They look good. That's all that matters. Let's start running this. Okay, it's smelling better as I'm rinsing this out. Okay, the smell's going away. Look at this. Oh my God. Okay, so it's the actual color. We're gonna wait till it dries. I'm gonna get all this out of here. Rinse this out. Give it a little shampoo. Okay, ready? Oh, this is the brunette one. This one doesn't smell as bad. Okay. I think this is the red one. I don't know. If this is the red one, we have failed. Very chunky, as you can see. This one needs a really good clean. I'm very interested to see how this looks. It's giving like red chunks everywhere. Cannot wait to see the final dry on this one. It's giving gray while it's like grayish brown while it's wet. Okay, we're running clear now, so I think we're good. And then the last one, oh yeah, okay, this is the strawberry one. Looking a little more red. Really hate that this is looking a little bit more red, but we don't know until we dry it, right? Okay, so here are the three colors wet right now, and I'll show you guys when they're dry. Okay, that's not working too well. Okay, so after blow drying them a bit and combing them through, I'm gonna let them air dry. Okay, result is, this is what they look like. So they're not the best. If you really like zoom in, if I zoom you guys really in, you can see that it's kind of like zebra stripes. I didn't do the best job at it. We all knew that. There was no shocker. This one here went a little bit like frizzy. Also, these are 100% human hair. The blue one versus the red one, this was a lot more softer, but it'll work like if we just want like cute colors. Like I'm gonna keep these. The brunette one, it really did go like purpley. It does look like a little like brunette-y purple, kind of like a burgundy color, and I really like that. So I really like these colors together. I'm so happy. Let's pop them in. No. I Hello. Okay, we're back. Look at these fun colors. This literally resembles Kool-Aid. I love it. I'm so happy. Let's plop these in my head. I don't even know what I'm going for right now. I'm just gonna like just put them in randomly. Let's start with like the bottom-ish blue one at the very bottom. Ooh. That just sounded like Mario. Random purple piece and a red like right there. How's this looking? Yeah. Like an OG PiinkSparkles kind of vibe, you know? Okay, we're kind of in love here. I love how they're like the same length as my my real hair, I mean. I want this blue one right smack dab. Smack dab right in my head. I can't believe this worked. I don't know if I would suggest doing this to your natural hair, but people do it. It's a thing. Pure bliss right now. I'm gonna throw another red one right there. Oh, it's giving a lot of red, so we're gonna, the last one we have here, I wish I had more, this is fun, is this purpley one that honestly I can smell the grape in it, but it's not like that overpowering, but you can definitely smell it. They don't have the greatest smell. They don't smell like Kool-Aid anymore. They just kind of smell like, I don't know how to explain it, like old sugary, if that makes sense, but look at how cute this is. We have like legit unicorn hair. I feel like this is like emo scene kind of hair. I feel like I'm like a scene girl right now, but we're not mad at it. I mean, it really does. I like this. It's a great way not to damage your own hair. I mean, look at that, the colors. I love it. Okay, wait, I love it. I love it, okay. I'm really glad that we didn't just do like the couple hours. I'm glad that I did let it go for overnight because I feel like that's what made the color really stick. I feel like Avril Lavigne right now. I like can't stop touching it and playing with it. I'm so excited. Oh my God, these crappy ass extensions that I had just laying around. Why am I yelling? I'm just like so happy. Really got put to good use. Okay, it worked. Bye. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it worked and we are ending on a really good note. And if it didn't work, at least you guys got to hang out with me and we got to have some laughs and put some color in our lives. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to smile today. By the way, it's free to subscribe. I don't know if you want to, but it would make me happy. I love you so much. Bye. Bye.